Welcome back, everyone. It's so good to see you again. Today we are going to a hotel. They have requested some chairs to be made and tables. So we're going to go there, show them the quality of the weaving, and give them an example. Oscar's taking along this laundry basket and this beautiful basket so that they can see the quality of his work. He also makes furniture, so that's what's going on today. We're going to this hotel. I'm sorry, I can't remember the name of it.
Oh, it's a hard name. It's called Limuru, Sovereign Hotels.
Okay, I can't say that.
It's around 50 kilometers away from here.
Oh, okay. Well, we got to get going then.
Okay.
All right,
Okay.
let's go. We're going to take you along.
Here before. Okay. So finally we arrived at the hotel. Yeah, that
Okay. We just arrived at the hotel. It's beautiful, as you can see behind me. It is so beautiful. So we're gonna go in here, talk to them about how many chairs and tables they want for their hotel, and come with us.
Okay. So these are the samples we are going to share with them. This is not what they wanted, but what is happening this is we are going to show them the weaving quality. This is how it looks like. This is a laundry basket. These are still used in hotels. So we'll share with you the type of chairs we want to bring.
So when they were talking about replacing some of these tables and chairs, they want 12 tables and 45 chairs. So the tables are made of plastic. It looks like they're imitating the cane. So they want to replace this plastic, and they want it on the raw natural cane. And so that's what's going to be done. Everything will be taken off these tables and replaced with pure. Okay, so I guess Oscar has given you a brief description of what they want. So this is a lovely hotel. I've never never seen anything like it. It's really beautiful. They're having a wedding here tomorrow, and I think there's 700 guests coming, so they have a huge tent that is set up right here, and all these tables and things. So tomorrow will be someone's wedding. And here's all
It's
the
beautiful, yeah.
tables
Look at the banquet.
being set up for the wedding.
Building tomorrow.
It's so nice. This is a great day. We have the bar right here. Look at all that liquor. Wow. And check out these drinks. Drinks are all set up, ready to go.
The impressive thing is the wood interior.
Yes, it is mahogany.
Yeah, this is mahogany.
It is so nice. And here they have a water fountain. It's not running.
Very beautiful.
And over here is the dining room. So everything's looking good. Look at these. That's so pretty. Alrighty. Oh, she's gonna turn them on.
Ah, yeah. Yeah, that's beautiful. The lighting, yeah?
Yes. So nice.
Oh, even that's the fountain.
Oh yeah, the fountain's fun.
$45. Wow.
What is your name?
I'm Joyce.
Joyce. Do you mind getting on our? We have a YouTube channel. Do you mind? Okay. Well, here's Joyce. I just met her. Do you mind talking a little bit about the hotel? Just say how many rooms you have.
I'm Joyce. This is Open Suites and Spa. We have about 45 rooms for accommodation. We have a bar, we have a restaurant, and we also have a conference room.
Ah, that's cool.
Right?
And a swimming pool and a gym, and also a spa.
A gym. Okay.
And then I heard they said they are, what do you call them? It's coming, golf course.
Golf course?
Yeah.
A golf course? You have a golf course?
Yes, yeah, we also have a golf. Somewhere you can play the golf. Yeah.
This is a lounge area where they have a fireplace, and you're probably thinking they don't need a fireplace in Kenya, but it does get really cold here. Look at me, I'm in my leather jacket today. But yeah, look at the carvings on this furniture. Beautiful, just very beautiful. So I wouldn't mind staying here. I would like to stay here one time.
So the mission in this hotel is to repair these chairs, remove this plastic PVC. This is called plastic PVC, and then we replace it with the original Rattan. These are the chairs that we are going to replace, and probable. I think the aluminum frame can still work because it looks still strong. Then also these ones. We'll also replace these ones, and then the table we're going to remove this plastic and we put cane. The idea is also to get rid of this glass, so that's exactly what we're going to do. So these are the chairs which are going to be repaired. We remove all the plastic and then we put the cane. That's exactly what. So the hotel is called Muthu. It's in Limuru, but they have different branches. As you can see, they have Scotland, Spain, Cuba, Kenya. Over 50 hotels and 10,000 rooms. This is what they have. And then what I also wanted to show you, I think they have a golf course. That's a golf course in preparation.
video. I hope you enjoyed. I know I did. I really enjoyed being here. So, like I said before, if you're ever in this part of the world, you can come and book your place here, and I'm sure you'll have a wonderful time. So, like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you